Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nisi, the beauty icon. So glad to have you guys. Look at me do this style. So today I'm going to show you guys how I created this style. So pay attention to the details. It's not hard at all. I look at every style as a puzzle piece. And so it's almost like you're building a puzzle or creating a puzzle. So right now you see me going around the head. I have already did my prepping beforehand where I went in and I set the cap. And you know, guys, I always try to protect the hair. So there's 3 layers of protection that I always use for my quick weaves. So if you guys are wondering how I set the cap, there's a weaving net, a cap, and then there's a gel base to the cap. That keeps the glue from adhering directly to the hair. But anyway, you see me going up with this. I thought I was recording when I got ready to do the part area, but I wasn't. So guys, I did an invisible part method all the way up, and that closed in that side. And see, you have the shaved side along with the long side. So right here you see me going in with a razor. I'm just taking my razor comb and doing some layers, and then I'm going to go in after I layer everything, and I'm going to cut out the bulk of it. So I'm speeding through this process because you guys kind of get an idea of how I layer this hair. So once I finish that, you're going to see me using my thinning shears to remove the bulk. Now I'm going in with my 2-inch flat irons, and I'm just going to do a spiral curl on this hair. So you guys see me turning the flat irons upside down, and this helps create the spiral curl look. And if you're not comfortable holding it upside down, you can hold it downside up, and that also creates that look. You just have to hold that hair as you spiral it. So going into the Thanksgiving season, guys, I wanted to encourage you guys to be a blessing to someone. It doesn't take much to be a blessing. You can do $5. Matter of fact, Rouse even had grab bags that you can purchase for $5, guys. $5 to feed a family. So I purchased me a couple of those bags in order to help feed the families. You know, and it's not to boast or brag on anything. I just wanted you to know, you know, it's more blessed to give than it is to receive. So, you know, you want to be a blessing. You can't always be the one who wants something or have your hand out for someone to bless you. You become the blessing. So, and then you'll notice the more that you bless others, that God will bless you. So I just want to encourage you guys, give. This is the season for giving, loving, you know, sharing and caring. So go out there and you be the light. So we're just going to go in and wrap up this spiral curl. I'm doing the same thing all over the head. And I think once I get to the top, you're going to see me do the curls, not in the spiral form, but I'm going to just do some big barrel curls on the, well, I didn't show it, I'm sorry. But yeah, I did some big barrel curls that fell over the spirals, and that created that fullness in the top. So now I'm using my wide tooth comb, and I'm just going to comb through this hair and kind of style as I go. And we're looking at the almost finished product. And this young lady is such a sweetheart. She loves her one side short, one side long. She normally do a soft bob that comes shoulder length, but she wanted to try it a little longer this time. And I forgot to mention what hair we use, but she always bring in the Bobbi Boss hair. And the quality of this hair is really good, and she loved it really thick. So it turned out really pretty, guys. I was really impressed. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit your post notification buttons for more updates. And I'll see you guys next video. You be blessed.